Who will sleep behind the tree? Open it. Who's that? Who's that? Moose. Good job. Who will sleep in the pond? Ribbits. Frogs. Frogs. Ribbit. Who will sleep near the pond? Duck. And what is that? A goose. Good job. What did duck say? Quack, quack. What did goose say? Honk, honk. Who will sleep in the forest? A bear. And what is that? A deer. Good job. Good morning, sun. Good night, owl. Moose. Where's the owl? Where's the owl? Yeah, owl says hoo hoo. Where is it? Hoo hoo. What's this? A deer. And what's this? A bear. And what's that? What's that? A duck. What are these? What's that? What are these? Ribbits. And a goose.